Flooring has proudly served the CSRA for 20 years, and we're celebrating with a newly remodeled showroom in Evans, Georgia. From a brand new product wall featuring best-selling waterproof and hardwood floors to all-new tile displays, we've redesigned our showroom to help you envision these amazing products in your own home. Our knowledgeable sales staff is with you every step of the way, so come ask them about the latest innovation in flooring products, like Evacore Waterproof Click. We love it so much we put it in our own showroom. We even provide free in-home estimates, and our installers are the best of the best. We may have a new look, but our commitment to our customers hasn't changed. Kirkland's Flooring is dedicated to quality service, and our crews are guaranteed to leave our customers' homes with a lasting image of a job well done.